In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image in PowerPoint using the 2025 version of the software. Whether you're crafting a presentation or getting creative with your visuals, knowing how to precisely remove an image's background can greatly enhance your project. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, we'll need to start by inserting the image whose background you wish to remove. Go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've got it open, navigate to the Insert tab in the top menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Pictures. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select this device. Now, this will allow you to browse your files, so choose the photo you want to work on and click Insert. This will place your image onto the slide, ready for editing. Once your image is on the slide, it's important to ensure it's selected for editing. You can do this simply by clicking on the picture, which will also bring up the Picture Format tab at the top of your screen. It's in this tab that all the magic happens, so click on it to reveal all the image editing tools available to you. Now here's where the fun really begins. Look for a button labeled Remove Background. You'll typically find this option on the left side of the Picture Format ribbon. Upon clicking this, you'll notice that PowerPoint automatically identifies the background regions and highlights them in a purple or magenta hue. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. This is just the starting point. With the background now highlighted, it's time to refine which parts of the image you'd like to keep or remove entirely. Take advantage of the Mark Areas to Keep and Mark Areas to Remove options. These tools give you more control, allowing you to accurately delineate what stays and what goes. For finer adjustments, especially around intricate details, consider zooming in on the image to ensure precision in your edits. The more meticulous you are here, the cleaner the final image will appear. Once you've made all your adjustments and are satisfied with how the image looks, it's time to finalize your work. Go ahead and click on Keep Changes. This action will remove the background based on your specifications, leaving you with a polished image where the focus is solely on your subject. And that's it. Congratulations. Your background is now successfully removed. Whether for business presentations or personal projects, utilizing PowerPoint's background removal tool can significantly enhance your images without needing additional software. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial useful for all your future endeavors in PowerPoint image editing.